Well done guys at Leicester Local Issue with Fabe. Right, with a massive short shot time is 15:25, 6th of March 2016. We have your 15:24 to Romeo 31, Lincoln Adwick, and your 15:27 to number 70 Lincoln Leicester. Cough attack. Firstly, Adwick, who's already 2 minutes late. Number 1 from the left. Ugh. This is good footage because I can afford to upgrade my 5C. Here's one that's normally on the Leeds service or Huddersfield. All 44015. Retford, Sheffield and Doncaster. And I'm pretty sure we're staying for the next one, who's due to depart anytime now. And we're staying for the next one. Which is your 15:27 to number 70 East Midlands train service to Leicester. That was your 15:24 to Romeo 31 Northern service from Lincoln Central to Adwick. Oh, where's this freight? Where's this bloody freight? Okay, it's not got leeway yet. Pity. Expecting a couple of minutes, but not due to pass till 15:44. Pity. Could have got some oil. So that the short, sharp shower's easing out. To be quite short, to be quite brutal, and still be a shower. And I was reading earlier from Lincolnshire Echo that someone, Joe Thorpe, says people need to misuse crossings. How would misuse bills going to pay for this bridge? We've had the same structure for just over a month and a week. Yes, about 5 weeks of the exact same thing in front of our face. Is that watching television? This side 1587.99. To Leicester by Newcastle and Nottingham. Remind all people to stand clear from the barriers. Up they go. See you in the next video.